Hi friends, I hope you and everyone around you are safe and in good health. Today in this video, I'm going to share unbiased tunixfab.myshopify.com reviews, and will let you know is tunixfab.myshopify.com legit or a scam website. But before starting guys, let me tell you that it is not a sponsored video, neither this website is owned by me. So by the end of the video, you will get to know whether you should buy products from this website or not. So without wasting much time, let's get started. This is the homepage of the website, and over this website you can see that Tunix Fab offers variety of shirts such as formal shirts, casual shirts, classic shirts and much more. And guys, here we can see that the prices of these shirts are too good to believe, as all the shirts are available at just rupees 299. So before buying anything from this shopping website, let's check its authenticity. And before proceeding further, friends, I would request you all to like, share and subscribe my channel, because it will help you guys to get the notification each time when I upload some informative videos on my channel. Now let's check the shipping policy. So here we can see that they have stated that all orders will be processed and shipped within 1 to 2 business days of ordering. Now let's have a look on return and refund policies. So guys, here we can see that their return policy lasts for 15 days after delivery, and nothing clearly is specified about the refund procedure, which makes us to doubt the legitimacy of Tunix Fab. And apart from this guys, talking about the cancellation policy, so here we can see that again no information related to cancellation policy is provided. Therefore, now let's proceed to check the way to contact them. So here in contact us section, we can see that only an email ID is provided, which is info@tunicfab@gmail.com, while other vital information such as company's address and contact number is not provided here. Addition to this guys, Tunix Fab lacks presence on social media platforms, which again is a negative point. Therefore, now it becomes very much important for us to check the content quality of Tunix Fab. Moving on to check the content quality. So guys, here we can see that 79% of the content over this website is copied from other shopping websites, which again is a negative highlight. Moving on to check the customer reviews. So guys, here we can see that on the official website there is no section for customers feedback. So let's check the customer reviews over the reliable sites on the internet. Guys, I could not find even a single customer review on the internet as well. It's a red flag, because customer reviews are one of the most critical factor in identifying the legitimacy of any shopping website. So guys, at the end of the video, I would state that tunixfab.myshopify.com is poorly designed, and there are many loopholes which makes us to doubt its authenticity. So considering all these negative points, I would highly recommend all the viewers not to shop from this website, as there are high chances of receiving low quality goods or nothing at all. So guys, that was all about the authenticity of tunixfab.myshopify.com. And friends, if you have ever ordered anything from this website, do share your feedback in the comment section below, so that other viewers get to know about your shopping experience with this seller. Also, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and hit the bell icon to protect yourself from online fraud. Bye bye guys, stay informed, stay alert.